流沙包，流沙凤凰包，我女儿拿回来的，今天拿来蒸着吃做早餐。里面好像有9个，水开后蒸8到10分钟就可以了。这个比较简单。今天一早的天气非常好，大大的太阳。去仓库拿点鸡爪，今天做个鸡爪，卤水鸡爪，凉拌鸡爪，我女儿喜欢吃。这冰箱还有很多。你看我家狗在前面带路。今天天真的好蓝，蓝天白云。有一个流沙包流出来了，可能蒸太久了，超过10分钟。一得了。
It's bleeding.
Yeah.
Maybe it's too hot, probably.
Maybe.
Yeah, we'll leave them for a little bit. Got some steam buns?
Yeah, doesn't take a hold.
Oh, she brought them from Calgary, from her house.
Ooh, it's hot. They good?
They're pretty sweet.
Yeah. I forget a bit from mom try. 我婆婆在我们家的时候，我忘记拿出来做这个。that's good 啊。
Yeah, that's good.
好吃。
What is the filling? What kind of filling?
现在
Yeah. Taro?
the egg yolk.
Egg yolk and what?
I don't know, maybe some flour together. 里面是蛋黄和什么？和那面粉吗？还是和什么一起？我也不知道。好吃。
Cool off some.
你还没起床。That's good.
Yeah, they are. Sweet little snack.
我老公感冒，再泡一点柠檬水喝。
I should have put in some honey. Should have put in some more honey.
This has some honey too.
I know, but it's not very sweet. Put in some whiskey.
Give some more water.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying. I do nothing but pee.
今天来做卤水、鸡胗、鸡肝，还有鸡心。鸡心我老公喜欢吃的，鸡胗是我女儿喜欢吃的，鸡肝我喜欢，鸡胗我也喜欢。先焯一下水，放点姜片、料酒，冷水下锅。这个是我那个卤水汁，然后这个是焯好水的鸡胗、鸡肝啊，把它放进去煮就可以了，很简单，煮大概10到15分钟吧。等下。那风吹晒呢？来了，对了，那个了，那个了。那个风把那个门吹就关了，他在走来走去想出去，好搞笑的。Come on, good girl. No, don't scare. Okay, sit here. Sit here. Okay? 佢開味，開咪唔香咯，唔香咯。我 煮了15分钟，怕它不熟，煮久一点好点。然后这边煮鸡爪，今天做凉拌，还有卤水。我老公有点咳嗽，感冒咳嗽，蒸个橙子给他，就是这样切开后放一点盐在上面，你就这样蒸就可以了，蒸15到20分钟左右吧。凉拌鸡爪，我放了柠檬、洋葱、香菜、姜蒜，还有辣椒、白醋，还有一点酱油。这个鸡爪用冰水泡着，差不多可以了。这个橙子蒸熟了，叫我老公吃一下。
You haven't made me one of these for a long time. I haven't been sick.
You're not sick long time, so you're not eat a long time. That's terrible.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Like you tell me.
咳嗽喝吃这个很好的。The onion is good.
I like the onion.
The spicy. 啊？这个是凉拌鸡爪，做了放了冰箱半个小时，可能还不是很入味。这个是那个什么派之类那个面团，但是我就喜欢吃这个面团。然后最后还有这个卤水鸡肝、鸡心、鸡胗，还有卤水鸡爪，都是鸡爪。今天
多幸福啊，在家，
爽不爽？
在家，
我们的下午茶，天吃吧，吃胖你，天天吃胖你。尝试一下这个好不好吃？
吃了，
你吃了？看啊，
Brown?
no cinnamon.
No cinnamon.
I know you like the cinnamon. Good.
Yeah.
好吃，我自己做厚一点这一次。
You put some jam on there.
For some jam?
If you want it, yeah.
Oh, no, I think this is good. 刚才我在做这个的时候，我女儿吃了很多这个。
吃饱了。I'm full. I have been eating.
When?
You said watching you and she's still cooking.
Oh.
And I eat this. I eat the bun.
You need a bun.
凉拌，我看下这个入味没有。
These are tougher to eat.
You can try that.
That is tender.
试一下这个入味没有？还不是很入味，然后要再放冰箱，放1个晚上，明天吃更好吃。现在还不是很入味。但是我老公喜欢。因为you can eat this one, it's not spicy. 他又怕辣，又吃那个。满是还不入味的，
对，
要再放1个晚上，明天吃会更好吃。还这个爽口一点，他喜欢吃软一点的。
不入味。
不入味。对的，不入味。哇，看一下我这盆花，它一直在开花，那个花刚凋谢又开了。我客厅那棵比这棵还要大，它都没开过花，都不知道这边是挨着这个窗口这个阳光充足还是怎么样？你看一下，小小一棵，开了满全是花，好漂亮。开饭了！今天做个番茄豆腐汤， 我听说就是这个番茄豆腐汤，就是感冒的时候喝比较好，所以今天特意煮个番茄豆腐汤。
There are lots of tomatoes left in the freezer.
Yeah,
I did like that.
you like that? You like this soup 哈？这还有炒个大白菜，这个是卤水鸡爪，还有鸡胗、鸡肝之类的，这个可以吃不完方便这样当冷盘这样吃，就是当零食这样吃。
No.
No.
Do you like the heart?
Not really.
How come they're the same as that?
How come?
A little bit different.
Little bit different. Why?
Why?
Why? Why you like that?
Tastes good.
Just say. Some people don't like that. Some people like that. Like you like that. For me, I not say like that, but I not hate that. I can eat a lot. I can eat.
Oh,
Yeah,
just not your favorite.
yeah, not my favorite. 吃饭咯，开饭。我女儿放这个汤和米饭一起吃。
哎呦，为什么这么多香菜？我的妈呀
I just want juice.
I don't want cilantro,
Oh,
but cilantro is everywhere. 哎呀，我的妈呀！
我女儿不喜欢吃香菜，
you don't like cilantro?
但偏偏我放了很多香菜，因为我觉得这个味道很好啊。
Sometimes your mom puts in too much.
我老公也去装饭。看一下这个也一样啊，米饭混汤。哦，你们两个
I'll help her out take some of the cilantro.
就好像你不是我亲生的，是我老公亲生的。这样混着吃好吃吗？这是 for rice together, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. 这个橙子太好吃了，很少买到这么好吃的橙子，所以我们一吃饱饭又吃，一人吃一个水果。我又蒸一个橙子给我老公，放盐，
Bedtime.
希望他今天晚上不会那么咳嗽。Hope you tonight for sleep good 啊。
Yeah, hopefully. Better than last night.
Yeah. 其实咳嗽蒸橙子真的挺不错的，我今天蒸了2个给他了。